Okay, today we have a laptop. This is Toshiba. Quite old, yeah, but still function normal. This is Toshiba Satellite Pro C640. The customer said the USB port's not working. Let's plug in the flash disk. The USB drive. Yeah, we plug in. Here we have nothing. Let's check the Explorer. Here we have nothing. The drive, no drive yet. Yeah, maybe you can see, but yeah, we have no drive yet. Okay, let's open the laptop and see what's happened in the. Okay, I shut down the laptop and open quickly. Okay, we continue working with this Toshiba laptop. And see, let's spot the USB. This here, this. Oh, you can see. Okay, let's open it like this here. Let's come in. Yeah, this USB port is to USB port. It's yeah, this capacitor is provide a 5 volt to this two USB port, but the switching is this driver, this small, yeah, yeah, this one, yeah, this guy, yeah. Based on my experience, yeah, the problem is the 5 volt is not switching, but we must test it. But we must test it. But before we test it, we must know the pin out of this driver. I check the chip on the internet. Hmm. Okay. What kind of chip we must know once before we search on the internet. M202. Yeah. Yeah, M202. That's a clean. Yeah, which I found in the internet the time of the chip. Also, G G40, G5476, yeah. G5476. Yeah. Ah, yeah. I can find. Okay. Hmm. Can find. I can't find. For, okay. Let's I found some schematic. Okay, I found the schematic. Here we go. Yeah. You can see here we have U9303. This is GMT underscore G547G1P81U underscore MSOP underscore HP. Yeah, this is switching. Yeah, this is supplying the USB VCC. Pin number 1 is ground. Pin number 2 and 3 is input. Yeah, the input is from V5, yeah, plus V5A. Yeah, this is from the capacitor. Yeah, that we found. Yeah, 22 UF 6.34. Yeah, let's check. Let's switch on the laptop and check the voltage. Yeah, we found the voltage on the chip. Yeah, and is the voltage switching or not? Yeah, let's go. Yeah, okay. I found, yeah, let's me find the ground. Yeah. Sorry. Okay, we plug in the charger. Let's check here on the capacitor. Do we have 5 volt? No, yeah. The 5 volt is not present. Yeah. Let's switch on. Yeah, the laptop is switched on. Is my going right or not? Eh? Sorry. No, we have 5 volt. We don't have 5 volt here. Eh? Okay. Yeah, you can see here. We don't have 5 4 here. And of course, we have no 5 4 here. Okay, we must found, okay, where is the 5 volt here is from where? Yeah, okay. Or I don't know if we need to enter the Windows or not to get the 5 volt, but I think the 5 volt is must present, yeah, V8. Let's see. Yeah, this is the plus 5 P PA. It's mean yeah, it is present before the switching, yeah. Okay. Okay, let's count where this voltage from, yeah. Okay. Okay, sorry, yeah. Sorry. I do wrong measurement, yeah, because we measure the output, yeah. Actually the input is present, yeah. Okay, let's see. Yeah, actually these two pin we have 5 volt. Let's see, yeah. You see here this in this main multimeter. This is the input one. Yeah, the input is present. Yeah, you see? Oh, you can see. Maybe you can see. Oh, you can see. You can see. Yeah. Yeah. Here. Here we have. Yeah, we have 5 volt. Okay. How about the enable? Yeah, this is the ground. This is the enable. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this is the ground number one. This is the enable. Yeah, we have problem in the enable. The enable must be not 9 ohm. Yeah, the enable is here. SB underscore USB 1. Yeah. Okay, it is from the from KBC, yeah, maybe. Yeah, I think this is from KBC. So the enable is going to ground. So yeah, let's replace this chip. Found and replace this chip. Okay. Okay, yeah. I have been replaced the chip. This one. Yeah, this one. Now let's check, yeah, if the voltage is switched, yeah, from the input to the output after we replace the chip. There's the charger. Okay, plug in the charger. And the charger plug in, we have input. Sorry. Yeah, yeah, we have 5 volt in the input. Yeah, yeah. See the my multimeter. Yeah, 5 volt. And the output. Oh, it is switching. The output have 5 volt. Really? Let's switch on laptop. Yeah. Yeah, we have now 5 here. Okay. Now the input 5 the output nothing. Okay, what's wrong? What's wrong? Okay, let's say check chip. Okay, this is the second I replace the chip, and now time to test. Okay, we will test it. Plug in the charger. Yeah, we have orange right here. You can see switch on. And the laptop is switch on. Yeah, loading the Windows. Okay, the Windows is on. Let's plug in the mouse. Plug in the mouse. Yeah, we have applied it, and yeah, the mouse is working. Yeah, the mouse is working. Let's. I will use. Moving. Okay, we can access the Windows now. Now let's test with the flash disk. In the flash disk. Yeah, let's see on the PC. Yeah, yeah, we have this flash disk. So this one, this is the flash disk one. This one, yeah, we can see the file. So the USB now is working. Okay, okay, now the USB is working. So I will stop the video now because yeah, you know, uh, the USB port that uh before it's not working now it's working because we replaced this chip. Okay, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this. See you in the next video.